How to make money from home working with your smartphone. At least you are making minimum of 2 to 3 to 4 to 10K every single week working from the comfort of your home using your smartphone. You can see all this money have been paid direct to my local bank account as a Nigerian. All right, so I'll be showing you what to do. Just stick to the end of this video, like and share to 10 of your friends. Let's go. Currently you can see I'm having 3,000 naira as my balance, so I'm going to show you how to create an account on this site. So this app pays you basically for performing a social media jobs. All right, this app you can have it on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. So this is how to create an account on this platform. You can make money just by liking, commenting, sharing other people's posts, and you can also refer and also resell other people's products. So right now click on this place that said create free account. All right, so once you click on it, you come to this place, you enter your full name. You enter your full name here. Whatever your name is, you enter it. All right, on this second place, pay very close attention so that you'll be able to get your bonus once you register on this platform. So on this place, enter glory 54 for them to verify your account fast, and you can get a bonus by putting this code. Are you getting me? So after you you click on this place that say sign up. All right, after you sign up, this is how your interface will look like. This is how your account is going to look. All right, but you will not see this congratulations, you are now a member, and this place will be 000. Okay, so now you need to create verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Then you will now get congratulations, you are now a member. Then you start performing social media jobs. You can see like, post, every other jobs. Okay, you can click on earn here. Once you click on earn, you can see two ways you can make money from this place. If you want to resell other people's products, you can click here. If you want to get started performing social media jobs like posting, you can see when you post ad for your Facebook, you get 100 naira. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you can see it. All right, you can also resell other people's products by clicking on this reselling button here. Let's say you want to resell this laptop, and whenever somebody buy, you get roughly commission. Then you click on this resell button and get your link, and when you resell this laptop per sale, you get 20,000 naira per sale. You can see you get 20,000 naira per sale on this laptop. Let's say you sell like 2 or 1 a day, you can make good amount of money on this platform. Like this platform, you withdraw anytime, any day you want. If you withdraw today, your money will be in your bank within 24 hours. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw button here. Let's say I want to withdraw this 3,000 naira here. Then I click on 3,000. I've also done video on how to enable your account details on this platform. Then after that, you click on this withdraw button here. Once you click on the withdraw button, an OTP will be sent to your email. Then go to the email you register and copy it and paste it here. After you copy the code and paste it, you click on continue. You can see we just withdrew our money. You can see we just withdraw our money. So if you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. When you check here, you can see the tax that we have here. You can see tax. So give it a trial and Let me know on the comment section. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video.